One Stellar XLM coin costs 0.111234 Bitcoin right now. The price of XLM ended higher than it began 48.64% of the time. The highest price an XLM has ever been worth in our base is due 0.88223, which happened 6 years and 1 month ago. The price is now 86.23% lower than that all-time high. Based on technical price analysis, there are 17 indicators, but only 2 tell us to buy and 11 tell us to sell. Bearish predictions are made for the short run. When XLM goes up, the first big support level is at 1.11663638. If it wants to keep going up, it needs to close above that level. The trend's bottom support is at 10.1077818. If it falls below 1.010711818 and can't close above 0.161.3638, the price could drop even more. On the other hand, it can go up to 0.1217523, which is the next help level. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, for the last 14 days is at 37.2, which means the market is neither too cheap nor too expensive. The RSI for the past week is also at 50.2, which also means the market is in a normal state. An exponential moving average for the state shows a bearish sign on the daily chart. The price of Stellar is only above the 10 EMA. It is below the exponential moving averages for the last 20, 50, 100, and 200 days. Over the past 10 years, the price of XLM on the last day of February has been above the starting price 3 times and below the price at the start of the month 7 times. For 11 years in a row, October has been Stellar's best month. At the end of October, XLM was worth 6 times as much as it was at the beginning of the month. 7 out of 11 times, the price at the end of November was less than the price at the beginning. November is the worst month. To learn more, see the monthly data. Stellar went up in value twice. The first time, in December 2014, it hit an all-time high of due 0.9421. Not long after, at 535, it fell to its lowest point at due 0.159. It took about 3 years, from December 2014, for the price to reach a new all-time high. The last bull run happened in 2021, but XLM couldn't reach its previous high. At that time, its best price was 0.7921981. The last time XLM reached a new all-time high, it took 1,111 days. Based on our Stellar price prediction, the price of XLM could reach 0.11118991 in the next 10 days. In the long term, we think the price will reach 0.4207054 in 2025 and 0.7759570 in 2030. Taking into account all of these past highs and shorter-term expectations, the guess for 2040 is $2.33. We think the most Stellar will ever be worth is $10.42754, which will happen in 2025. The most it will ever be worth is $0.323, which is the least it will ever be worth.